Hey guys, today I have another unboxing. This is Canyon. So Canyon sent me. This is the third package, I believe. In here should be like a timer and replacement part for an FTO, and maybe some other things I don't know about. So we'll see. As usual, FTO themed stickers, really nice. This is just for the FTO thing from earlier that in order to cover the address stuff. Oh, and because it's Halloween themed, there's a little spooky ghost. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, okay. Okay, so firstly, I requested a replacement piece for one of the FTOs. I somehow lost the yellow triangle piece. I know it's in this room somewhere, but I've been looking for like a long time and I couldn't find it. So this is just to have the puzzles be complete. Okay, so yeah, there's that. Not much to say there. Next, okay, I see the mat. So as you can see, I already have it's like the FTO themed mat, but this one has the extra FTO for WCA logo on it. So, yeah, but otherwise it should be the same design. So that's exciting. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite mat now because of the message it entails and the design of the FTO and all that. Yeah, so this is gonna be probably, I'm gonna use this a lot. Let's see, what else do we have? Okay, so we have the timer. Let me get this out. So this is the Chi timer, I believe. Oh my gosh. Let's see. There, Chi timer. Okay, so this is the pregnancy stick looking one. I guess this is the world record single. It looks like the one that Matt got. Max. Why did I say Matt? What are these average? Maybe this was a world record back then. I don't really remember. Okay, yeah. So this should be Bluetooth, right? Or you connect with the app. How does this work? Okay, whatever. Let's see how it is. This is gonna replace my currently defunct timer. The one that like turns off every 3 solves or so. Oh, it's upside down, looks like. What the heck are these? Are these the batteries? Oh, okay, I guess we'll see. Check it out. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, it's like a little thing here. That's weird. That's nasty. Oh, I like the design of whatever this thing is. Yeah, I honestly have no clue. I'm assuming it already comes preloaded with the batteries. I guess not. In that case, I should try opening this. Yep, that's what I thought. I'll just yoink it from here. Okay, perfect. Now I can put this in here. There. Okay. Nice, nice. And how does this work? You solve it, and then finish. Oh, you have to hold it, right? So you have to start. Okay, I guess that works as well. Let's see how fast I can get on a 2x2 scramble. So let's say you have the luckiest scramble. This is my go-to 4 mover. It's like that. Not bad, okay. Sub-world record first try, I think. Let's try again. Oh, that one's pretty good. 0.35, yeah. Okay. Let's see how long it takes to do this one. Oh, that pickup was terrible. Here. Fuck. Okay, whatever. In any case, this timer will probably be very good and won't reset itself, like it used to. Oh, that's what this must be for. It's like you put it here, I think? No. I just made that up. Okay. What are these? What the heck? Maybe the other way? That Seems more likely. There you go. Yep, that's what they're for. Oops. They like kind of come off though, so I feel like these will only be useful if you have them out with these pins already. So yeah, for now they will be useless. And where did the other screw go? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'll just like put that in with that. I'll like look at the footage to see exactly where that came from, if that fell out of somewhere. But in any case, yeah, thanks to Canyon once again for sending me these for free. Very nice, and this will be very useful for my FTO antics. So, you know, stay tuned for that. Yeah, and I'll see you guys soon.